Hey guys, we're at the Cheslatta River. We're gonna go check out Cheslatta Falls.
Come along and enjoy the hike with us.
Woo!
Beautiful day, beginning in November, and no snow.
No snow, no bugs, and this is the lowest we've ever seen this river before. Let's get on the trail.
Woke up with the fire inside, a spark that won't hide, won't subside. Feet on the ground, but I'm touching the sky.
Well, we climbed some pretty steep hills. Haven't hiked for a while. Get the heart rate going. Beautiful day.
The world can't dim my glow. I'll let the colors show. Shine like the sun, burn like a flame. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. Bright as a day, loud as a drum. Here I am. Shine like the sun. 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 Every step feels like a dance. Moving forward, taking a chance. The rhythm of life in my hands. Shine like the sun, burn like a flame. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. Bright as a day, loud as a drum. Here I am.
I guess it was just Halloween, so, you know, you get the creaky trees.
So the trees are your knees.
Definitely not my knees. Well, it could be questionable. At the falls. Eh, halfway there.
Alrighty guys, this is the top of Cheslatta Falls. We're gonna go just a little further and fly the drone.
Ain't Mother Nature wonderful?
Woo!
Woo!
The sun, shine like the sun. Shine like the sun. Shine like the sun. Here I am. Shine like the sun. Shine
Alrighty guys, that's Cheslatta Falls. Just a gorgeous November 1st day. We're so lucky with this weather. I had a great flight with a drone.
Thanks for following along.
Top of the world.
Woo, we did it. Taking in the views.
All right guys, that's our adventure to Cheslatta Falls.
We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope you'll come and visit soon. It's a beautiful place. Thanks for watching.
CJ out.